Time will bring the real end about you out. Today there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
I don't think you guys understand how long I've been trying to just film a hello to y'all. Having a newborn. I just want to do my hair video, y'all. I just want to put on this wig and get cute. But he is just not letting me. This season of life is not about excuses, it's about adjustment. So if he wants to cry while I'm trying to make this video, and I know he's tired because he wants to sit on me because he's a newborn, of course we're just gonna baby wear and do the hair. We're not gonna make any excuses, we're just gonna make adjustments. So now that he's more comfortable, I'm trying to look cute, but y'all get it. The girls that get it. So we still gonna get cute. So today, you guys, video is sponsored by I Define Hair. It's 100% virgin hair. If you guys are interested in like this wig that I'm about to transform into that you already seen previously, then click the link in the bio and use my code for some money off. Don't play with yourself, play with your mama, okay? Maybe not your mama because she birthed you. But let's open up the wig and get started while we got the baby quiet. We got time. So this is a 10-inch, I believe, wig side part. This is what it looks like when you come out the pack. It's very cute. It's giving Betty Boo. Betty Boo, is that who I'm thinking about? When I look at this wig, very much. The curls is really cute, very tight but loose curls. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like on me because it's this is what the can't speak right now, I'm wearing. This is how it's constructed. Lips right here, lace right here, sewn in the back, so it's like a halfway closure type of wig. And they also provided some wig caps. Well, they gave me two different. They gave me options, you know, a little booklet, and some options for wig caps. They got a dark and a light. I'm gonna do the light today. Ooh, y'all see I got the straight backs? Because I did not come to play with y'all. Y'all thought I did, but I didn't. This is what happens when you have a baby. Your hair grows inches when you do that. Stretch it out a little bit. So I'm going to be using some Got2b Ultra Gel to push my edges back. I don't know about you guys, but I have to try on the wig before installing it just so I know what I need to do. Basically mapping out a plan to execute the best wig install. And when I do this, I know what to do next, which is putting foundation on the wig cap and the lace of the wig so it can look as natural as possible without having to glue the cap on your head or bleaching the knots on the wig. And I personally like to cut off this extra piece of lace because it makes the wig not lay as flat, so definitely get that little corner off your lace. And I know we weren't supposed to be using Even Spray, but I've been using it because it literally is the best for laying down a wig. It keeps my wigs on for a week without even using glue. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on using it. And let's try on the wig again. And just with a little foundation, the wig looks even better. So you don't gotta do a lot to make a wig look good. You just gotta know the little tricks you do. Make it do what it do, okay? And I just fixed the little part because we gotta make it slay. And next I'm gonna use some edge booster because this really gets the flyaways and really identifies or defines the part. Next, let's take out some edges so that, you know, the wig looks realistic. And I'm an edge girl to the day I D-I-E, okay? The Edge Boost Hot Comb combination cannot be defeated. When I tell you it gets your hair slick in the best way possible, you gotta use it. After you get it slicked down like you like it, it's time to tie down that hair. And also keep slicking it down until you get it to the perfect. I'm honestly going to slick it down until I get just how I want it. I want it flat, like flat like it looked like mine, but not too flat where it's like, girl, what you doing? But I just feel like you gotta shape it to your head, and the flat comb, the hot comb definitely does that. And I can't forget my other edge because I can't live without them. Like, I need them. And I'm still perfecting my edges when it comes to wigs. Like, with my natural hair, I can slay, but my wigs, it's like it's a hit or miss. So I'm using mousse this time because I've been watching some videos and that's all they seem to be using. So I'm going to see what these girls is talking about and see what these edges come out. And y'all let me know, do y'all use mousse or do y'all use edge controller? Because I don't know. Okay, makeup is done. I try to do something slight. I swear I always try to do something slight and it looks like I did like a full face. I think I need some other makeup that doesn't look, I don't know, like I did the full face. Because that is not me going out. I want to be something that looks like, I think it's super cute. You just gotta, I don't know. Does it look too weak? That do it a little too. Sometimes, okay, you guys, I switched to the bathroom. Sometimes I feel like it just needs different lighting because now I feel like it looks super cute. Like, the lighting in the back, I think, was you couldn't see the back curls, and that's what was throwing me off. I was like, it's not as short as it looks. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I really like it. It's giving old Hollywood. It's giving rich auntie, rich mama vibes. Like, this is super cute. I'm not gonna lie. This is super cute. I'm not finna hold you. Like, I think my makeup actually looks good with the fit. And then the earrings, like, it needed that little but the did it though. The did it. What y'all think, y'all? Let me know in the comments. Is it a hit or a miss? Like, I'm loving these little short wigs, but I think I want to go longer next time. Next time I got to do a longer wig. Like, these short wigs are super cute. They're just showing my age. Like, it's showing me, like, this is what grown and sexy vibes are. This is what a grown sexy woman looks like. I mean, I guess. If you guys like this wig, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below, of course, let me know what you think, because I'd love to hear y'all opinions. And yeah, if you guys want this wig, link will be in the description. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!